In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your account on the Docusign app. Whether you're moving to a different platform or simply need a break, closing your Docusign account is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can do it with ease and confidence. First, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Docusign URL. Once you're on the site, the next step is to locate the login button. You should see it prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. After you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Docusign home page. From here, what you want to do next is head over to the admin section. Look for the admin tab. It's usually part of the main menu or accessible through a drop-down menu, depending on what device you're using. Clicking on this will lead you to the admin dashboard, the central hub for all your account management tasks. Now that you're in the admin dashboard, the focus is on the plan and billing section. You'll need to locate this area to proceed. This section is vital as it includes all the details regarding your subscription status and payment information. On finding plan and billing, click on it, and a new page will open showing your account details, including subscription history and billing cycles. Once you're on the plan and billing page, you'll spot the option to close account. It's critical to only proceed if you're certain about discontinuing services, as closing your account means losing access to all Docusign functions, and anything associated with your account will no longer be available. Think of it as a final farewell to your digital documents and signature processes with Docusign. Before you click that button, a quick reminder, make sure you've downloaded all necessary documents and that there aren't active agreements that need finalizing. Once you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and select Close Account. You may be prompted with a brief survey asking about your reasons for leaving, which is optional but can be beneficial for Docusign to improve their services. And just like that, you'll have successfully closed your account. If you ever decide to return to Docusign, remember that you'll need to create a new account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made your cancellation process a breeze. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for tutorials and tech tips on other services you might use. Until next time, take care.